use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
So I have the Terramps 4 base 8Ks. I have 180 amp hour lithium of underground power. I have 4 Resilient Sound Platinum 15s in the box. They are wired at half ohm. I don't know numbers wise what it's doing because we just put it all together.
Yeah.
But all my custom stuff, I'm 315 custom audio, so this is my box.
Okay.
My fuse holders, my bass knobs and stuff that I make. On the door, it's the Resilient Sound 6.5 mids. It's nice.
Okay. And this is considered a 6th order?
6th order.
Yes. Do you know your box tuning and specs at all?
It was tuned to 26. It's playing right now around 17 to 55 hertz.
Wow. And that's without this loading wall? Or blocked in yet?
Yes.
Still plays pretty good? Wow.
Yep, still plays pretty good. Did have one of my coils get injured yesterday. Dropped a little low, but she's still play up in the 30s and 40s right now. Pretty good. So
nice. Awesome. Looks really good. Wow. Solid roof too. Did you have a previous system in here?
Yes, I did. Before it was a flat wall in here. So the flat wall that was in here sealed on the dash to 185.5. Not 185, sorry, 158.5.
Yep, got it.
And then open on the dash to the 161.7.
Really? That's pretty good. Were you happy with it? Because this one, I can see how it looks under there.
Oh, you can shut my door.
Yeah, there you go. Nice.
So as you can see, still in the works, still rebuilding.
It's all good. I understand, man. I just like to see everything.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. So what kind of alternator power is supporting the battery bank?
This has 2 excessive amperage 325s in it.
Nice. A battery delete?
Yep.
Yeah.
So one of the alternators is down here. And this was customized over here. So this is the second
wow.
one.
So you actually can fit a custom bracket.
Yep.
Wow, nice.
So we had to take out the actual air filter that was in here and put the cold air in.
Got it.
That in.
Yep. Awesome. Thanks for the info, man. Looking forward to hearing it.
Absolutely. We'll get a demo for you.
This is nice. Wow. I know it's a work in progress, I'm guessing, because you still got some stuff. Yeah. Looks really.
Days were unable to get it all sealed off and everything before we got down here.
Yes, sir.
But it plays pretty well the way it is at the moment. So.
Very nice. Did this box slide in?
Yes, they slide.
Wow, okay.
Yep.
That's a tight space.
Yes, it is.
Wow. Forgot to ask you, what are these subwoofers rated for?
These subwoofers are rated 2000 RMS.
Okay.
But yeah, they're definitely underrated.
Yes, sir. Got it. Did a good job building the box. I like it. I know it's still work in progress, you were saying, but
yep. My friends Damon Sanzig and Chris Dispro of Dispro Audio did a great job with
Yes, sir. Very good job. How does it do different with this window up versus down? Does it unload differently, or does it still play?
It still play pretty good.
way we could try it again with the windows down? See if it, or if another song. Baseball. Not sealed off, playing in the mid 30 hertz range. That's pretty good. I appreciate that. Wow,
Absolutely, man.
Wow, you sealed me up. It put a good bit of pressure on me. I appreciate that, man. Wow, that's the benefit of that 6-door. Really flat response and it doesn't fall off. I appreciate that, man. Awesome. Thank you for the demo.
Absolutely, man.
Nice to meet you. What was your name again?
Bill Calhoun.
Bill. All right.
315 Custom Audio.
Yes, sir. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Nice to meet you, man. Great demo. I appreciate it.